In this video I'm going to show you how you can host a private lobby on MECCHA Chameleon, so this way you can invite your friends and you can play with your friends and prevent anyone else from joining. So you just need to go to create server, and right here you will need to enter your in-game name. So this will be your name, this will be the server name or the lobby name. So right here you can put anything you want, and then you can also enter a password. This will be for private lobbies only. In this case I'm just going to put 123 and the maximum amount of players for your lobby. So I recommend you to put only the amount of players that are actually going to play, because otherwise the lobby might not be stable. So for example 8, now we can put a region tag if you want and create server. Once you are here you can open the menu and you will find friends list, and you can invite any friend you want and they will be able to join. In some cases they might ask them for the password, so they just need to put 123, and they can also click find server and find private server and just put all the information right here and the password as well, and that's how they can join your lobby. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.